the 2009 Cadillac CTS. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. Cadillac also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.